All right, we're on video 704, part C of our little side quest here. Let's look at the deltas. So in const macros by system within the Konamic top-level constant section, within our procedure enumerations, we've added one more procedure enumeration for testing out the PIMPSOB system. It's going to be proc enum number 30. Down in data by system, within the Konamic section, we have put that procedure enumeration into our lookup table of A through Z key bindings. So now when we press the T key, we're going to execute the PIMPSOB procedure because we have this little handle to that chunk of code now. Okay, now in the PIMPSOB section, we made a little mistake here. This load box function needs to specify where we're going to load the data. So we've tacked on h3x, h3y here, and we have an input h3x, h3y right here. That's all that has changed. Then down here in the Konamic section, within our EVT key function that is listening to keyboard events given to it by the keyboard master, down here in the terminal key function, after we've done up, up, down, down, left, right, and then we've pressed either A through Z or a number 0 through 9. If we've done that correctly, we're going to enter this section of code, and if we've pressed the T key, then we're going to end up with a procedure enumeration that is equal to this PIMPSOB procedure enumeration. And if that's true, then we're going to end up in this block of code right here, and we're going to test out the PIMPSOB system, right? So we're going to load the data into the central level pack in the engine, which is at 1, 1, because it's a 3x3 grid of level packs. And you can see everything lines up very nicely right here, so we absolutely 100% know that we're calling this function the way we intend to. Here's what we did previously. We have some footnotes down here, and then we have what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you must go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the advanced playlist here on Kanji Coder. We don't have time to get into too much detail. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game, and I am documenting every fucking single line of code. That is not a joke. That is not hyperbole. I am fucking serious. Like and subscribe.